sado na naman ang saindong pasalid didiyo sa tagpuan nindo na niyo. It's so very nice in the middle in the semi. Nakakauyam na talaga kamong pagparamasidan. Anyway, it's okay in the middle semi. Look at me in the dance floor, you know? Okay, never mind again in the semi. Okay, music. Ito talaga, yaong ka na naman digdi yung aki ka talaga.